Hey, what regionals are we on?
I don't know, 7, 6, 4, 4, 4. Timmy says 4. Regionals number 4.
Going through a track walk, seeing how we're going to fly the track. It looks like quite a technical, fun track, but let's do it.
I've been training every day, every other day, every other day, not as much as Timmy.
I'm Onay, Quadmal FPV. I'm supporting my son, JB FPV. He's flying very well at the moment.
How was that?
That was pretty fun.
Nice, man.
Course is tricky, there's a pretty trippy tunnel and a dive gate, but we're having fun. So far, only Timmy broke something.
My little one here, it's a lot smaller, a bit slower, but just as fun, eh? Hello.
Rock and roll.
How are you feeling, bro? You're quad ready.
A lot better. I just need to change props, but yeah, then I'm ready.
The circle tunnel is quite challenging, so it's either going to make or break your run. If you get it right, you're going to save a lot of time. If you get it wrong, you're going to crash hard. So getting that line just right is critical.
Feeling good, enjoying it. Starting to push a bit harder now in the last heats because I've got nothing to lose. So we'll see what happens.
I just finished my second heat. Did like 3 laps with these props. So it was a bit of a wobble finish. But I'm happy, like second heat went better, like first practice round didn't go so well.
I'm having a little bit of equipment issues. I think I've sorted it out now, just bad tunes on the quads.
Oh, what a champ, what a legend, eh?
Yeah.
That's a good man. When he comes, he takes the #1 spot on the course, on this heat, almost every heat, and then he still brings your quad and plugs your quad out for you. That's a legend. He's a good man.